Okay, so I'm going to compute the sum of the angles of the vertices A, B, C, D, and E of the five-pointed star of the figure below. So I'm going to find out the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C plus the measure of angle D plus the measure of angle E. Okay, so to help myself out, at this intersection here, I'm going to label this intersection X and this intersection Y, and I'm going to consider, right? I'm going to look at triangle DYE and triangle CXB. So I'm going to look at DYE first. So DYE is this one right here, right? So DYE. So I know the measure by the exterior angle theorem, right? The measure of angle AYX, right? AYX is equal to the measure of angle E plus the measure of angle D, right? This exterior angle is equal to the sum of these remote interior angles. And then I'm going to look at this triangle here, triangle CXB, right? So for CXB, I know by the exterior angle theorem again that this angle here, the measure of angle AXY, is equal to the measure of angle, so AXY. If I'm looking at CXB, right, that's the measure of angle C plus the measure of angle B, right? So I know by the triangle sum theorem that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle AXY plus the measure of angle AYX is 180 degrees. So I know by the triangle sum theorem that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle AXY plus the measure of angle AYX is equal to 180, right? But by the exterior angle theorem, I know that AXY is C plus B, so I can substitute, right? This implies that the measure of angle A plus, instead of writing AXY, I can write the measure of angle C plus the measure of angle B plus, and then instead of writing AYX, I can write the measure of angle E plus the measure of angle D is equal to 180. And look at that. This implies that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C plus the measure of angle D plus the measure of angle E is equal to 180 degrees. So I know the sum of these vertices on this five-pointed star are going to be 180, which is pretty cool.